And there are a lot of success stories associated with this natural remedy, which is why I am showing it to you today. But before I show you how it is prepared, let's review the ingredients and their health benefits. This is the list of ingredients. Please feel free to write it down or take a screenshot. Garlic reduces inflammation, stimulates the immune system, brings accelerated relief, a reduction in symptom severity, and a faster recovery to full fitness. Lemon is high in vitamin C, which has been shown to strengthen the immune system. Contains saponins, which act as antimicrobial agents. Reduces inflammation and congestion. Ginger reduces congestion, throat inflammation, relieves coughing, headache, and nausea. Boosts the immune system and has antibacterial properties. It also possesses a warming effect. Honey reduces congestion,